Hey, this is Dave Tosh. I'm the owner at Grandville Trailer.
My name is Brendan Osterhair, and I am a lot manager / janitor, and I just kind of help out with sales.
I am John, and I primarily am in sales, sell trailers, and I do a lot of the ordering of parts and just take care of the customer's needs.
My name is Greg Tosh. I am the trailer ordering guy here. I order all the stock trailers that you see behind me. I also do trailer sales as well.
I'm Zach. I'm the new guy. I'm in learning the sales position.
My name is Lance DeVink. I am a salesman and in charge of service and repairs. We do full trailer repairs. We do brake jobs, bearing repacks, check lights and wiring, and we also do body work.
Trailer sales, parts, service, and rentals. We sell trailers that are used to haul stuff, cargo trailers, utility trailers, landscape equipment, so forth. We have a parts department. We service, fix, repair trailers, brakes, tires, wiring, lights, and we have a few trailers that we rent as well.
Grandville Trailer is a great place to work. We have a lot of fun here.
I have a great time here, work hard, and I just enjoy the company here. It's like a family here, so it's great.
Grandville Trailer is a great place to work. I enjoy being around my co-workers. We have a lot of fun, and it's a laid-back atmosphere.
One thing we do always focus on is customer service. You will be greeted right away when you walk in the door. Even if we're all busy, we'll at least acknowledge you're there. We can't do this without you guys, and you have made Grandville Trailer what it is today, so I want to thank you for that. And we're pulling for you.